Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a unique recipe of pomfret fish curry. A very beautiful recipe which can leave a lot of beautiful aroma around. So let's go and start it. So friends, to start off with, I'm going to use pomfret fish, and to that let's add some salt and leave it for marination. So to prepare the masala, I'll be using 5 Kashmiri chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 8 peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Now let's dry roast this all together for 2 minutes. Make sure when you are dry roasting, you are on a medium flame. Once the spices are cooled down, move it into a small jar and let's grind it to a fine powder. Once you have grounded the masala, now I've got 100 ml of water. In there I have soaked a marble size of tamarind and I'm going to add this into the masala now. Now I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste. So this is how the masala is going to be once it's grounded. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 green chilies. Now add 2 small grated onion. I say grated because I have very grated, very fine. So this is how it has to be. And let's saute this for 4 to 5 minutes until the onion changes its color. Once you see the onion changing its color, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And now let's add all the paste that we have made, the curry paste. Now let's fry this for another 2 minutes. Now let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. Now add 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I'm adding another 200 ml of water to this. This is the water I mixed in the mixer jar, so all the stock which remain will be added back again. Add salt as per requirement. As the curry is boiling, let's add the fish. Let's cover this with lid until the fish is cooked well. Once the curry is done, now let's add coriander. So friends, our pomfret curry is absolutely ready and it's delicious. So if you liked our recipe, please show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.